You searched how to buy shares of Kuehne Nagel International AG, a global logistics and freight forwarding company listed on CBOE EU under the ticker KNIN.ZU. This video is educational and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker. We use eToro as a neutral example to show the steps. After registering, you will have to verify your account, usually with an ID, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker KNIN.ZU to find Kuehne Nagel International AG. Select the matching CBOE EU listing to ensure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, you will see a brief company summary and the price chart showing recent market activity. Double-check the listing is on CBOE EU with ticker KNIN.ZU to confirm it is the right share. To place an order, click Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or scheduled, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After purchase, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to explore the platform further.